closely at the world around you, have you? At the consistency of the physical laws governing your daily life. And ask yourself a terrifying question. What if reality as you experience it is not a fundamental truth, but a rendered simulation running on hardware we cannot perceive? Today, we examine 7 empirical proofs that suggest our universe is structured more like a digital algorithm than an infinite physical expanse. Proof number 1. The speed of light is finite. In an infinite physical universe, information should theoretically travel instantly across dimensions. Yet, in our reality, light has a strict speed limit, approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. In computer science, this is not a physical property. It is a processing constraint. It represents the maximum rendering speed of a rendering engine allocating resources dynamically, loading the environment only when an observer requires it. Proof number 2. Quantum mechanics and the observer effect. Subatomic particles do not possess a definite position or state until they are measured by an external system. Before observation, they exist as a probability wave of potential outcomes. This mirrors optimization techniques used in modern video games and virtual reality simulations, where background graphics and unused assets are kept in a compressed, unrendered state to conserve processing power until the player looks directly at them. Proof number 3. The Planck length physics tells us there is a fundamental limit to how small space can get. The Planck scale, measuring roughly 10 to the minus 35 meters. Below this threshold, distance and time cease to have any meaning. Just as a digital photograph breaks down into individual pixels when magnified, our universe has a discrete digital resolution. Space is not continuous. It is quantized, built from finite structural blocks. Proof number 4. The unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics. Why does the entire universe, from spiral galaxies down to the subatomic quark, adhere so flawlessly to precise, elegant mathematical equations? In a chaotic, random physical cosmos, this mathematical perfection makes no sense. But in an engineered system, mathematics is the foundational source code. Physics is merely the user interface rendering the underlying algorithms. Proof number 5. The cosmic horizon and universe expansion. Distant galaxies are moving away from us faster than the speed of light. Not because they are traveling through space, but because space itself is expanding. More importantly, we can only look back to a finite point in time. The cosmic microwave background. Beyond that horizon lies a hard-rendered boundary, a loading wall built into the architecture of our simulation. Proof number 6. Biological code DNA is not just a complex organic chemical compound. It is a high-density digital storage medium containing billions of compressed data instructions that build and maintain living organisms. When computer scientists analyze the 4-nucleotide structure of DNA, they find error-correcting codes and binary logic gates. Life is literally running on biological software. Proof number 7. Systemic glitches and localized reality, anomalies. Across human history, millions of people have experienced unexplained lapses in temporal continuity, memory discrepancies, and physical inconsistencies that defy probability. These are not mere hallucinations. They are Dropped frames and buffer overflows in a system, struggling to maintain render stability under high cognitive load. The boundaries of our world are closer than they appear. The rules have been written, the constraints have been measured, and the code is waiting to be read. Welcome to the crypto's code.